Grubhub drivers use their own vehicles to deliver food orders, which means the real value of the platform depends on delivery demand, driving costs, and how efficiently you manage your time. By the end, you'll know how Grubhub works, what affects your earnings, and whether becoming a Grubhub driver makes sense in 2026. Grubhub connects customers ordering food with drivers who deliver those orders from restaurants to customers. Drivers use the Grubhub app to view available delivery opportunities, accept orders, pick up food, and complete deliveries. The main reason people try Grubhub is flexibility. Drivers can choose when they want to work instead of following a fixed schedule. This makes the platform appealing for people looking for part-time work, extra income, or a way to earn around another job. The biggest factor is whether there are enough delivery requests in your area. A driver in a busy market may have more opportunities than someone in an area with fewer restaurants or customers using the service. Your location affects how much time you spend driving, waiting, and completing orders. Vehicle expenses also determine whether Grubhub is actually profitable. Gas, maintenance, repairs, insurance, and vehicle depreciation all reduce your take-home earnings. The amount shown from completed deliveries is not the same as your final profit after expenses. Tracking your numbers helps you understand whether the platform works for you. Record your delivery earnings, miles driven, fuel costs, and the amount of time you spend online. Then calculate your earnings after expenses instead of only looking at the total amount earned through the app. Your strategy matters too. Some drivers focus on working during higher demand periods, while others use delivery apps around their existing schedule. The best approach depends on your availability and the demand in your area. Grubhub is different from traditional employment because drivers manage their own work decisions. You choose when to drive, which deliveries to accept, and how to organize your time. The best way to decide if Grubhub is worth trying is to test it and measure your results. Track your earnings for several weeks and compare your actual profit against the time and vehicle costs involved. Grubhub can be a good option for people who want flexible delivery work and have a reliable vehicle. It may not be the right fit for someone expecting guaranteed income without accounting for expenses. The main points are simple. Grubhub offers flexible delivery work, local demand controls opportunity, and your vehicle costs determine your real earnings. Your next step is to check delivery demand in your area and track every expense before deciding whether to continue. If this helped you understand whether Grubhub driving is worth trying in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical gig economy reviews.